Hi guys, welcome back to the channel in another episode of Sherley's Kitchen. So today we are making PIKLIZ, aka Haitian spicy coleslaw. Guys, before getting started, I just want to remind you to hit the like button, and if you're new here, to subscribe to the channel, and also to hit the notification bell. When you hit the notification bell, click on all so you can get all of the notifications when I upload my videos. So to make this recipe, the first thing you're going to need is your habanero pepper, also known as Scotch bonnet peppers. Then you're going to need 1 carrot, 2 limes, 2 whole onions, and then you're also going to need Maggi cubes. And then you're also going to need some bell peppers. We're using red and green today, but you can also use yellow, orange, just to give your PIKLIZ some color. You're also going to need some cabbage, and then you're also going to need some distilled white vinegar. So guys, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is shred your cabbage. Now you can do that using a knife. You don't have to use this particular knife that my mom is using. You can use any type of knife. And you can also use a grater to shred your cabbage. And also they do sell cabbages already shredded at the store. But my mother, she does not like to use the cabbage from the store because then your PIKLIZ does not last as long. But trust me, you can do that if you want. Go to the store, get you a bag of shredded cabbage and shredded carrots, and you know what? Get to making your PIKLIZ. So after shredding your cabbage, you're gonna go ahead and clean off your carrot. Go ahead and take the skin off, wash it off, and then you're going to use a grater to grate your carrot. She wanted me to let you guys know to grate it the long way like she's doing here. Look at that carrot. That's how you want to get it done. You want to do it the long way, and then you want to grate some, turn it around to the other side, and then grate it again. So you need about 1 carrot makes a ton. So you don't need that much of your carrot. You don't want it to overpower your recipe. Also, you want to make sure that you wash off your cabbage before you add anything else to it. And next, guys, we're going to go ahead and clean off our onions. Again, you wash your onions, and then we're going to thinly slice our onions. Adding your ingredients to the PIKLIZ, make sure you are mixing everything as you go along, because you don't want to take a bite of PIKLIZ and it's only onions or only cabbage. You want to mix as much as possible. Next, we're gonna go ahead and cut up our bell peppers the long way and just add it to our PIKLIZ. Guys, look at the colors. It is so beautiful and it's delicious. Now, the next step is what separates PIKLIZ from the regular American coleslaw. This is what makes it PIKLIZ. You're gonna go ahead and get your blender, and you're going to add your habanero or Scotch bonnet pepper, and then you're going to add your Maggi cube, and then guys, you're going to add your lime juice to all of that, and then you're going to blend all of that up. Some people might wonder, how long do you blend it up? You want to make sure that everything, all of the Scotch bonnet peppers, everything is crushed and blended up nicely. And then you're going to add all of that to your vegetables and mix it as much as possible to make sure that all of the spices are equally distributed throughout the vegetables. So guys, that's it. That is Haitian PIKLIZ. And now my mom is adding it to a glass jar just to make sure that it lasts as long as possible. And guys, the more time that passes, the spicier that this PIKLIZ is going to be. And you can add it to just about anything that you're eating. Now, you know how some people like to carry around hot sauce? We Haitians carry around PIKLIZ because it is so good and you can put it on top of just about anything. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Make sure you like this video, share this video with your friends and your family. And guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.